what's up, YouTube? It is Pacey AI one more time. I'm about to give you another video. Remember to leave a like, share, and subscribe. So I want to talk to you guys about this one. This is a very exciting video for me. Now, I did see this feature for a minute now. It's been out for maybe 2 weeks, but didn't get the chance to really talk about this one. This has been something that was promised to us for so long. Finally, we have it in our hands to test out. This was something that was talked about by OpenAI, discussed in their conference last year. I think it was around March, if I'm not mistaken, or May or something, but it was way back. And this was something that they said they was gonna release in weeks, and it ended up taking them 6 to 7 months to finally get this out to us. But obviously, we finally have this in our hands to test out, and this is the video streaming feature. Now, they did release the advanced voice mode, I think sometime in October, if I'm not mistaken, but we didn't get the video streaming, all the features that they were claiming to have. But now we have that, and I just want to go ahead and sort of test out some of the features. There's also screen sharing on here, so you can actually screen share your phone. I'm using this with an Android phone currently at the moment, but this should also work on iOS. So once you go to your ChatGPT, you just want to click the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and essentially you just want to wait until the model loads up, so then you can talk to the model and basically give it instructions on what you want. You can stream your video, things of that nature. Hi, ChatGPT, how you doing?
Hey, David. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
I'm good. So I'm doing a YouTube video right now to basically demonstrate the capabilities of the ChatGPT advanced voice mode where it relates to the video streaming. So what do you say about that?
That sounds awesome. Advanced voice mode is really cool, especially when it comes to live interactions and streaming. Are you looking to highlight any specific features?
Yes. So essentially, I want you to tell me what you're seeing right here. What do you see right here?
I see what looks like a VR headset on the counter. It seems to have a sleek design with adjustable straps. Are you planning to demonstrate something with it?
Well, not really, but what type of VR headset is this? What's the brand?
Based on the design and features, it looks like an Apple Vision Pro. It has that distinct sleek build and front panel that Apple is known for. Is that what you have?
No, so this is a Meta Quest 3, but good try. It's pretty close to an Apple Vision Pro in terms of looks, but this is the Quest 3.
Ah, got it. The Meta Quest 3 does have a similar sleek design. It's great for VR experiences. Are you showcasing any specific features of the headset in your video?
Not really, but I want you to also tell me about this. What do you see here?
I see what looks like a handheld gaming device. It seems like a portable console with controls on either side of the screen. Are you showcasing it along with the VR headset?
Can you tell me the name of this device?
That looks like an Ain Odin handheld console. It's quite popular for gaming on the go. Are you planning to feature it in your video too?
So it's not that, it's actually a GPD Win 4, but it does have the design of a retro PSP, PSP feel. That's what they were going for.
Oh, I see. The GPD Win 4 does have that retro PSP vibe. It's a neat device for gaming and emulation. Are you planning to demonstrate its capabilities as well?
Not really, but let me know what you think about this. Does this apple look good to you?
It looks like a fresh and shiny apple. It seems ripe and ready to eat. Are you thinking about having it as a snack?
Not really. It's actually not that good. I'm actually planning to throw it out, but I decided to just show it to you for you to give your evaluation of it.
I see. From what I can tell, it looks fine, but if it doesn't taste good, then it's definitely a good idea to toss it out. Better to go for something fresh and tasty.
And what do you see right here?
I see a colorful mug on the counter. It looks like it has a nice design. Is it one of your favorites?
What is the design about?
The design on the mug looks like a tropical scene, with palm trees and a sunset vibe. It's quite vibrant and gives off a relaxing, beachy feel. Do you have the story behind it?
And also, what is this right here? Can you name this device?
That device looks like an Asus ROG Ally. It's a handheld gaming console with a distinctive design and powerful specs. Are you planning to use it in your video as well?
Well, I'm kind of demonstrating your capabilities of being able to recognize stuff. And what is this right here? What do you think this is?
That looks like a glass beverage dispenser, typically used for serving drinks like lemonade or iced tea. It's a handy item for gatherings. Are you planning to use it for a special occasion?
Not right now, but I've used it for special occasions before.
That's great. It's definitely a useful piece to have around for events. It adds a nice touch to any
All right,
gathering.
thank you, ChatGPT, for your help with all this. And I think you did well on this demonstration. I think you're pretty good at recognizing stuff.
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could help. If you need anything else,
As y'all could see, I mean, it's pretty good at recognizing different things within your environment, and you can get pretty creative with this. Obviously, you can be a lot more creative in terms of what you ask it to do based on what it sees or what you're showing it. For example, you could show it code, you could give it different tasks to see if it can find stuff. Maybe you could play games with it, stuff like that. So you can push it as far as you possibly can. You can be really creative and come up with different ways to sort of push the boundaries of this. You can probably watch movies with it and have it tell you what's going on in the movies, or maybe even use it to have a discussion about a movie after you've done watching it. So that's pretty cool as well. So it's a lot of cool things you can definitely do with this. Obviously, you can see the history of the chat right here, and you can play this out loud. You could go through it, and you could actually play the voice recording of this conversation. So that's pretty cool as well. Another thing, actually show your screen with the model, and then she'll be able to essentially go through your screen and help you with whatever issues you're having on your screen, or basically tell you what's going on your screen. So if I click share screen, then I click start now, I'll essentially be sharing my screen. You can take that off, and yeah, I mean, that's pretty cool. So definitely you guys think about this. Have you guys tried out the advanced voice mode video streaming feature? Have you tried to share your screen to have it help you with different things on your phone, or essentially tell you what's going on in the real world? This is really cool. They don't have it for desktop as yet. I think that is the next step, is to include this on your Mac as well as your desktop PC. We should see that rolling out sometime this year. So if, let's say you're playing video games on your computer or whatever, you could literally have the AI assist you while you're playing, giving you instructions. Let's say you're playing Minecraft and you don't know what to do, or you're playing some game that you're not really sure of what to do next. You're really confused about the level or the game itself. You can use the advanced voice mode assistant to really help you. It's really, really cool. The real-time features are amazing. But let me know what you guys think. What do you think about this? Have a great day. Peace AI signing out. Peace.